Aloha everybody, my name is Jane and I'm an independent color street stylist. Today we're going to be removing our glittery nail polish with a special hack, which is nail clips. This is a much more effective way to remove your nail polish versus the traditional way of just rubbing them until all of the nail polish is gone. We all know that removing glittery nail polish, as pretty and beautiful as they are kind of a pain to come off. So today, all we're pretty much using is our lovely nail clips, cotton pad. Make sure it's saturated with a lot of nail polish remover. And of course, my ultimate favorite, Mineral Fusion. I love this nail polish remover because it is non-acetone, which is much more healthier on your fingernails. And I've been noticing a difference when I started using this. But before we get rid of these glittery nail sets, I do want to show you what I have on. I have Take My Hand. Isn't this gorgeous? This is one of my favorite nail sets. It is a foundational nail set from Color Street, which if you didn't know, Color Street loves to give back every single month. So gonna be really sad to see it go, but I do have a special treat for you to show you what my new nail sets are gonna be, so stay tuned. All right, let's get to the fun part. I'm gonna show you how to remove this effectively and efficiently. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna start with one hand at a time. I'm gonna take all of my cotton pads and put it in a little jar. Saturate the nail pads with the nail polish remover and then place it in your nail clip. Super easy, right? So that's basically it. You're doing the same process for each and every one of your fingernails. I love doing this while I'm watching a movie or watching Netflix or Disney Plus, whatever my mood fits me. But super efficiently and a fun way to remove glittery nail polish. All right, here comes the test. Let's take a look. How cool is that? Majority of the glitter is gone. So I just want to check the other side and see if it's ready. That can be soaked just a little bit more. How about this side? It's like magic. Hey guys, how amazing is that? Isn't it efficiently easy? I mean, you pretty much just put these babies on and you watch something. In my case, I was listening to Alexa sing me a song and that was it. So easy to remove. Get these on Amazon. They're so worth it. But check out how clean my nails are. Off of a glitter hack. Cool. Anyway, much love and aloha. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.